Let's be honest, $100,000 a month sounds insane until you realize people are doing it with products you've probably scrolled past on TikTok. I'm talking about real products, real numbers, and yes, real dropshippers making 5 or 6 figures every single month. So if you're done playing small and ready to turn your store into a money-making machine, stick around. In this video, I'm showing the hottest, most profitable dropshipping products of 2025 that could literally change your life. Ready to stop guessing and start scaling? Let's get into it. Now, let's get one thing straight. You can have the best looking store, amazing branding, even the coolest logo, but if your products don't spark interest, your sales won't make it up to your expectations. Winning products means winning business. Yes, it's literally that simple. So picking the right niche and item, that's already 50% of your success locked in. Alright, time to break down the coolest profitable niches that are making dropshippers serious money. Niche number 1, beauty and wellness. Let's start with the classic beauty and wellness. This niche is basically unstoppable. People always want to look good and stay healthy, and they'll happily spend money to do so. Dropshippers in this space are pulling in anywhere from $5,000 to $25,000 a month, and top sellers, they're pushing $200,000 or even $300,000 a year. Here's why it works so well. Beauty is emotional. People don't just want it as a product, they want the confidence that comes with it. Influencers are everywhere, and that means endless free content ideas. Plus, the products are tiny, light, and super easy to ship. Hot sellers in this niche? First one, the massage pillows. You get it for $140 and sell it for $450. That's $310 in your pocket every time someone clicks buy now. Or check out the LED facial mask. Costs you around $19 and sells for up to $70. One hot week and you could easily be banking $1,000 to $3,000. And the best part? These are the kind of products that go viral. One reel, one TikTok, and sales start to flood in. Niche number 2, sports and outdoor activities. Next up, sports and outdoors. Let's be honest, whether someone's training for a marathon or just pretending they'll start on Monday, people are buying fitness gear like crazy. Dropshippers in this niche are making from $4,000 to $20,000 a month, and that can easily hit up to $400,000 a year. Why it's a solid bet? Health is trendy and it's here to stay. Fitness products usually come with bigger order values. And these items are perfect for video content and demos. People love things this stuff in action. Some hot picks here. Camping fans. Cost around $900, some less, others more, and sells for $2,900. That's a nice chunk of profit. $2,000 profit per order. And the dumbbell sets. Costs just around $300 and sells for around $1,000. Easy profit with cool earning potential. And let's be honest, these aren't just fitness tools, they're lifestyle upgrades. People love to show off on social media. By the way, you can grab all the products that I'm talking about and add it to your store right now. Just click the link down below in the description. And stay tuned because the next products I'm about to show you, they're high ticket, they're ultra profitable, and they could seriously take your store to the next level. Niche number 3, luxury furniture. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Furniture for dropshipping? Yep, and trust me, it works. I already have a video about this niche, you may check it out as well. Thanks to the Pinterest aesthetic crave, people are spending big money to make their homes look beautiful. And you can make real big money on it. Dropshippers in this space are earning $10,000 to $30,000 a month, and the high performers easily making $400,000 a year or more. Here's why it's such a great niche. High prices mean high margins. You don't need 100 sales to hit big numbers. People want stylish, compact, multifunctional furniture. And interior makeovers? They're perfect for content on Instagram and TikTok. What should you sell? Try the modern coffee table. You get it for $190 and sell it for $559. That's about $360 profit per sale, and weekly profits can easily hit from $2,000 to $4,000. Or the sets of dining chairs. Cost around $480 and sells for $102,000. Another high-margin winner that can make you more than $3,000 a week. These are big-ticket items, but you don't need a warehouse and you never touch inventory. That's the power of dropshipping. Niche number 4, branded clothes. Let's get into one of the most powerful niches out there, real brand clothing. We're talking about the names everyone knows and loves: Nike, Adidas, Gucci, Balenciaga, and so on. These brands already have the hype, the demand, and the loyalty. You're not selling a product, you're selling a lifestyle. And the numbers? Dropshippers working with branded clothes can bring in from $16,000 to $100,000 a month easily. And the top ones, they're pushing more than $800,000 a year, all from selling what people already want. Here's why this niche is so powerful. You don't need to convince anyone. People already love and trust this brand. Massive demand, from streetwear lovers and gym rats to luxury fashion fans. This niche is evergreen. Styles come and go, but branded logos, they never die. Here are a couple of real winners. Adidas slip-on sneakers. You get them for $100 and sell for about $200, depending on the model. They sell like crazy, so sales won't make you wait long. Guess Page handbag. Profit per one sale can hit from $50 to $220 depending on the model and timing. Weekly profit? Anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000 if you're moving volume. In 2025, brand apparel isn't just fashion, it's currency. So if you want fast-moving products, strong brand power, and loyal repeat customers, this niche is your ticket. Niche number 5, home electronics and smart tech. Let's be real, everyone loves a good gadget, especially when it makes life easier or looks like it came from the future. That's why smart tech is blowing up right now. In this niche, dropshippers are making anywhere from $8,000 to $35,000 a month, and some are raking up from $400,000 per year just by selling everyday electronics with futuristic twist. Here's why this niche is a gold mine. These products solve real problems like home safety, convenience, or pet care. They make people feel like they're on the next level, so they want to show them off. And they have high perceived value, which means big profits for you. What's selling? Smart projector for home theater. Costs about $370 and sells for $900. That's a solid margin with $530 profit for one order. Indoor and outdoor security cameras. You get them for just $100 and flip them for around $400. That's over $300 profit margin, and the weekly profits are pretty solid too. These products are perfect for TikTok and Reels. They're visual, practical, and super satisfying to watch in action. Easy to demo, hard to scroll past, and even harder for customers to resist. Now, let me share my experience. I've made over $15,000 a month just from a mix of these products. No warehouse, no big team, no startup capital. Just smart niche choices and the right tools. If you want to finally start making real money and scale your store to the next level, these are the products to go with. I've dropped ready-to-go product specs with all these items in the description. Click the link, grab what's working, and start scaling your business today. Hope this video was helpful and gave you some real insights into what's actually selling right now and brings huge profits. Drop a comment below and tell me which niche or products you're gonna test first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss on future videos with even more useful information about e-commerce. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.